Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everyone. I'm your social teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you Arabs in Africa. Like before I start this lesson, I would like to revise some important points which is we discussed in our last class. I hope you remember in our last class we discussed and we learned about the continent. Like there is 7 continents in the world. From the 7, we learn about Africa. Africa is a continent. Every continent has some unique features. You know that. And Africa, because our topic is Africa, so Africa is the second largest and the second most populated continent in the world. Africa, in this continent, Africa continent, 14% of the world's human population and cover 1/5 of Earth total land surface. And Africa have 54 countries, including 9 territories. Here is the main point. The continent, this continent, Africa, is bound by the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and also the Mediterranean Ocean and the Red Sea. Like the most of the people of this continent, they follow Islamic, they follow Islam and Christianity. Okay, boys. Now I'm going to teach you about Arab in Africa. Like do you know how many countries there in our Africa? In there is 12 countries in Africa continents. 12 Arab countries in Africa continent. There are Algeria, Egypt, Libya, Arab countries and other many, Sudan, Somalia, Morocco, and many other countries in Africa. So there is total 12 Arabian countries in Africa. Arab are united by culture and by history. Most Arabs are Muslim countries. Okay. So here, Algeria is the largest country in Africa. So let's see here. Algeria capital is Algeria, and here ruled by President ruling. Algeria official language is Arabic language, and in Algeria government is republic government, and the people of Algeria, most of the people follow Islam. And Algeria's currency, like Saudi Arabia have a Saudi riyal, like that in Algeria have Algerian dinar. So like I told you, Sudan also be a Africa, Sudan in Africa continent. Algeria and Sudan are the two biggest Arabian continent in Africa. Sudan and Algeria is these two biggest countries in Arab countries in Africa. The Sahara covers more than 80% of Algeria only. 12% of the land in Algeria is inhabited. Algeria produce agriculture products such as dates, grapes, cherries, and the most of the peoples know other country peoples call Algeria country of cherries and date. Here you see Sudan capital city. So Sudan also be Islamic country. Sudan's capital, Khartoum. In Sudan, also ruled by president rule. And here in Sudan, the official language is Arabic. And in Sudan's government is Republic government. And Sudan's people follow Islam. And in the Sudan have currency, Sudanese pound. And the main resources of Sudan is petroleum, copper, okay, and Algeria, main resources also oil and gas. Okay, boys, and here see. Sudan is known as the food basket. Sudan is known as the food basket of the Arab. National because of its lands, it is a country in Northeast Africa. Okay, boys. The country became independent in 1955. The Sudan's became independent in the year of 1956 with the with the change of government. Since then, 1983, the country was involved. After that, from 1983, the Sudan country was involved in a civil war which ended in the year of 2005. Okay, boys. The Nile River runs from the north to the south of the country. Here you can see there is some question which is we discuss in this lesson. How many Arab countries are there in Africa? There is 12 Arab countries in Africa. What do they have in common? They have common the culture and history. What are the largest Arab countries? Sudan and Algeria is the largest country in Africa continent and Arab countries. What are the country resources? Like you know, Sudan resources also gas, petroleum, iron, and Algeria also petroleum, aluminum. This all they are resources. Okay, boys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day and grateful day. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.